Hi, this is Mrs. Gerard. I am making this video for my students. We are currently learning the President's Song to the tune of Yankee Doodle. We now have 44 presidents. This song always changes. Every time we add a new president, we have to change it a little bit. So this is now ending with Obama, and I'm going to go a nice medium tempo so you can practice with me. Here we go. Washington, Adams, Jefferson, Madison, Monroe, Adams, Jackson, Van Buren, Harrison, Tyler, Polk, Taylor, Fillmore, Pierce, Buchanan, Lincoln, Johnson, Grant, Hayes, Garfield, Arthur, Cleveland, Harrison, Cleveland, McKinley, Roosevelt, Taft, Wilson, Harding, Coolidge, Hoover, Roosevelt, Truman, Eisenhower, Kennedy, Johnson, Nixon, Ford, Carter, Reagan, Bush, Clinton, Bush, and now we have Obama. Practice.